Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 6 under section 1, Understanding Microsoft Excel 2010 Interface in our training How to Get Started with Excel. Once more, I am Amaka Ifebunando, your instructor. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the worksheet view mode. The user has the choice of viewing the worksheet in different mode. By default, the worksheet is in a normal mode, and you can find the different modes either on your status bar. Yes, this is where we call our status bar, where you have the zoom slider. Sorry, I didn't mention it in our previous lesson. This is the status bar. We have the zoom slider there, and we have the worksheet and workbook view mode. So we have the normal, because by default the worksheet is on a normal view. So this is the normal is selected, and we have the page layout and we have the page break view. You can also find this feature when you get to your view tab. When you go to view tab under the workbook views, you will see it. You see that the normal is selected because that's the mode that the worksheet is on right now. And we have the page layout, which is also on our status bar, and we have the page break view, which is also on the status bar. We have the custom view and the full screen, right? So we'll be exploring each of these options. By default, is on the normal view mode, right? So let's check out the page layout. When you click on it, you see the page layout present it in a form that when it's printed, this is what it will look like. So when I print it, this is what it's going to look like. That's how the page layout, what the page layout presents to the user. The way that worksheet will be printed out when printed. So the next is the page break view. Wow. Now this is the page break view. What the page break view does is that it helps the user to adjust what should be in page 1 and what should not be in page 1. So the user can easily adjust the content of each page using the page break view. Right. So we'll go back to normal. The next is the custom view. The custom is just for the user to set a particular page view and give it a name. So if the user wants to use that same setting in subsequent worksheet, right? It's just like setting a template. If I'm to use that of a view mode, a worksheet view mode, giving it a name. When I select it, so you have to give it a name. When you give it a name, just click on add, you give it a name, and you use it subsequently, though I don't normally use this often. So the next is the full screen view. Now what this mode does is that it's hide the entire Excel ribbon, both the tabs and the ribbon. It hides it and gives the user a full view. So when you select this full screen mode, you see the whole tab is hidden. The whole tab is hidden. So to go back to the normal view, you just click on your escape escape button on your keyboard. So the escape button is on the top right left end of your keyboard, the top left end of your keyboard. So I'll click on it. I can show you that. Let me use my on-screen keyboard to show you where the escape. This is where the escape button is. So you just click on it and it brings you back to the normal view. So one thing again I would like us to know is that you can hide and unhide this ribbon using this icon here. You can see where the cursor is. So this arrow icon, I can minimize, you can see, but here I still have my tabs on and I can maximize using this, right? That's just an additional to what we are looking at in this lesson. So that's the different worksheet view mode you can explore when working on Excel. So this brings us to the end of this lesson, and see you in the next lesson.